Wouldn't it be nice if you get to pursue your dream career and someone else pays for it? Yes, you heard it right. Hello everyone, Central Classes is back with another useful yet interesting video. I am Bhumi Shahu, a Central student, and today we'll discuss about all the scholarships, freeship programs and schemes that will help you pursue your school, college and professional education. Watch the entire video to find out which scholarship you are eligible for. In our first segment, we would discuss the scholarships that are available for students between standard 1st to 10th. The government of Maharashtra started providing free education to girls since 1st June 1985. It is available for girls studying in standard 1st to 12th. This policy was started by our government so that the daughters of the needy and the rich could study together under one roof without any discrimination. It is applicable for primary, secondary and higher secondary schools of the state government, Zilla Parishad, private, recognized, aided as well as non-aided institutes. In order to get the benefit of this scholarship, you need to submit the ration card with the girl child's name included in it to the respective school or college while taking admission. The next scholarship that we have is the Begum Hazrat Mahal Scholarship. This scholarship is available only for the girls. It has a reward amount of Rs 5,000 per year for girls from 5th to 9th. This scholarship is extremely beneficial for the ones who belong to below poverty line families. The eligibility criteria of this scholarship states that the applicant should have scored 50% or more marks in the previous exam, and the family income from all sources should be less than or equal to Rs 2 lakh. Next, we move on to the pre-matric scholarship. This scholarship is available for both the girls and the boys. According to the eligibility criteria of this scholarship, the applicant should score 50% or more marks in the previous standard, and the family income should be less than or equal to Rs 1 lakh. The reward is Rs 1,000 per year for students from 1st to 5th and Rs 5,000 for students from standard 6th to 10th. Many a times, students after receiving their basic education don't get an opportunity to continue with their higher studies, but the government and the various institutions and organizations are benign enough to help them financially. Here we start with our second segment, that is scholarships available for junior colleges. The scholarship that ranks first for junior colleges is the free education given by the government of Maharashtra for girls up to standard 12th. Many students after completing their SSC don't avail for this freeship. But remember, this scholarship is available up to standard 12th. Remember one thing, यहाँ करोड़पति और गरीब दोनों की बेटियां एक साथ पढ़ सकती हैं. To enroll for this scholarship, you need to submit the ration card with the girl's name included in it. The next scholarship is TFWS scholarship. This scholarship is most importantly for those children who have big dreams, but their financial conditions try to dull their shine. In order to enroll for this scholarship, the applicant's family income from all sources should be less than Rs 8 lakh. Also, it has an entrance exam to be cleared. This scholarship is based on merits of the child. Apply for this scholarship while taking admissions in the capped round. Next is Maha DBT OBC scholarship. This scholarship is only available for other backward classes, that is OBC, girls and boys. According to this scholarship, half the total expenses of the education of the applicant will be paid by the government of Maharashtra. According to the eligibility criteria of this scholarship, the parents of the child should be residents of Maharashtra since last 15 years. The next scholarship is Rajaram Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Scholarship. EWS, that is economically weaker strata, girls and boys can enroll for this scholarship. You need an EWS certificate in order to proceed. And yes, if you don't have your EWS certificate, don't forget to watch the video given in the suggestions. This scholarship pays 50% of your total education expenses. The eligibility of this scholarship is that the student needs to be a resident of Maharashtra and the family income should be rupees 8 lakh or less than that. And now we begin with the graduation scholarship segment. Remember we had spoken about TFWS scholarship? Yes, it is available up to graduation, so you can enroll for it for the same. Also, the Rajaram Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj scholarship is available for graduation as well. If you dream to pursue MBA, CA, MBBS and other professional courses, but financially you are not able to, then now the scholarships which we'll discuss are only for you. Post-matrix scholarship. This scholarship is available for both the girls and the boys. It has a reward amount of rupees 5,000 for commerce, arts and science students and rupees 25,000 for students pursuing technical and professional education. Also, it is available for the minorities. The common documents that you need before enrolling to the above scholarships are linked Aadhaar card with bank account and an active phone number. Birth certificate and SSC certificate should have the same name with the same spelling. If your spellings are incorrect, please do correct them. A passbook with your photo in it. And remember one thing, don't give Jan Dhan account or accounts which have limitations on withdrawal and deposits. For pre-matrix scholarship, the student's account or a joint account with the parents is required so that the reward amount will be credited in your account. Domicile certificate, all the previous mark sheets of SSC, HSC, diploma, caste certificate, leaving certificate, disability or orphan certificate if you have any. The documents of your parents which are required are as follows: the driving license and the ownership of the vehicle if you have any, income certificate by the Tehsildar only, the death certificate of the father if required, and ration card. If you liked this video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and others so that even they can benefit out of it. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon.